Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a nighttime routine. So the first thing that we usually do is cook and eat supper, or either go out to eat. We do go out to eat quite a bit just because I do work night shift. And on this particular night, I didn't have to work, so this is kind of what we do if we have an evening to just kind of stay home. And Seth made his chicken Alfredo, and it is so good. So, and then we will just sit down on the couch together and just kind of enjoy some time and talk about our day and just about life pretty much. And we're also going to find something to watch on Netflix. We haven't really been watching anything particular, so if you guys have any suggestions for us, leave a comment down below if you have anything you like to watch. And then after we eat, we will get Baylee and feed her a baby food. I think tonight she's having apple, banana, pear maybe, and some water to drink. And then once it's time to kind of wind down for the night, I like to just get on my laptop, watch some of my favorite YouTubers, reply to comments, and also do some editing. And then Seth will just shave and shower because he does have to keep a clean shave for his job.
Oh snap. Oh snap, girl. Oh snap.
Then just gonna check my phone. It is currently almost 11 o'clock at night. But it is the summer, so we do tend to stay up a little later. Usually Seth likes to get in bed kind of earlier, but yeah, it didn't really happen tonight. But I'm just checking my phone, seeing what's going on in the world, and then I'll just come talk to Baylee, play with her for a little bit. And then whenever Seth gets out of the shower, he will also play with Baylee, and she was being so loving tonight.
Oh, look at her giving hugs. Oh, goodness.
And then I will just take my shower, and also Baylee takes a shower with me, and then Seth will just get her out and get her pajamas and stuff on. I always think she looks so cute when she gets out of the bath. And then when I get out of the shower, I like to go ahead and finish my skincare routine. I do cleanse my face in the shower using the Simple Cleanser, and then I use the micellar water to get the rest of my makeup off because my cleanser doesn't really do a good job of getting all of my makeup off. So then I'll just use the micellar water to get my makeup off. And then I'm loving this Alba Botanica green tea and aloe face moisturizer, so I just put that on my face and then I rub it all in. So also from Alba Botanica, I am loving this coconut milk conditioning mist. So I just spray it all in my hair, and then I'm gonna brush it out.
Good night.
So since my sister is staying with us tonight, I'm just gonna fix her a snack while that Seth is getting Baylee ready for bed, giving her her milk and getting her to sleep. So I'm just fixing some bananas, some raisins, and some little Teddy Graham cookies with some milk.
Fire, and she's gonna sleep right here. Seth and Baylee are sleeping in there. I like to lay down. Just like we should go to sleep. Let me put it in. It's just a pretend. It's not real.
Bye. So basically our Sunday nights are pretty calm and chill just because I don't work on Sunday nights. Seth does work on Monday mornings though. But we pretty much just relax at home. Sometimes we'll go out and do something, but this is pretty much just the normal for us. And we actually have a special guest tonight. My sister is staying with us tonight.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi.
You want to tell them about yourself?
Well, my name is Sarah.
Baylee's wild. Is that it?
Yeah.
You're Sarah?
Yeah.
Okay. We actually also cleaned the house this evening, so it's pretty much clean except for this huge pile of clothes behind Sarah over there. Yeah, right there. But everything else is clean except for that huge pile of clothes. Baylee's being pretty wild tonight. Seth is right now
Taking a shower.
taking his shower, and then me and Baylee are going to take our showers. Sarah's going to take her shower, and then actually we're going to have a girls' night tonight, so that would be a separate video, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're excited.
Watch our video tonight.
Well, it'll be, let's see, that video will be up after this one, okay?
Yeah. Look.
Wait, go ahead.
And subscribe and hit the notification bell and bye.
Wait, you didn't say, give it a big, wait, Sarah, come here.
Give it a big thumbs up.
Good job.